Because trying isn't good enough. Days, months, years isn't what a second time is. Free-falling gravity, like law without a jury. We live in those ages where it's hard to see with closed eyes and dirty hearts. You should do the laundry. Open your eyes, 'cause obviously you can't see. When you can't afford living, doesn't mean that you're worth more than money. Free lifting creativity has no law but a jury. We live in those ages where it's hard to see with closed eyes and dirty hearts. You should do the laundry. Open your eyes, 'cause obviously you can't see.